Here is a full test with 31 difficult level MCQs and answers based on the syllabus shown in your uploaded PDF for the PGTRB General Knowledge. The questions are in English and Tamil. Magnifying glass unit-wise difficult MCQs, English and Tamil, total, 31. Green Square Unit I, Indian History, 6 questions. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? A. Lord Cornwallis. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Hastings. D. Lord Dalhousie. Checkmark answer. A. Lord Cornwallis. Book Penkalavil Nirantara Veri Mure Irpatuttiyavar. Checkmark Patil. A. Lord Cornwallis. Which battle marked the beginning of British political supremacy in India? A. Battle of Panipat. B. Battle of Buxar. C. Battle of Plassey. D. Battle of Haldighati. Checkmark answer. C. Battle of Plassey. Book Intiavil Ankilayarin Arasial Attikkam Totankia Por Etu. Checkmark Patil. C. Pilasian Po. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D. Dayanand Saraswati. Checkmark answer. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Book Piramma Kamajattai Arampitavariyar. Checkmark Patil. B. Raja Ram Mohan Ray. Who was the Governor General during the 1857 revolt? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Canning. C. Lord Ripon. D. Lord Wellesley. Checkmark answer. B. Lord Canning. Book 1857 Kilachi Kala Alunar Jenaraliyar. Checkmark Patil. B. Lord Canins. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? A. 1930. B. 1942. C. 1920. D. 1947. Checkmark answer. B. 1942. Book India Vitu Purappatam Iyakkam enter into Totankappattu. Checkmark Patil. B. 1942. Who wrote India Wins Freedom? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Checkmark answer. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Book India Win Hapratam, Newlan Asiriyar. Checkmark Patil. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Akat. Orange Square Unit 2, Indian Constitution, 5 questions. The Indian Constitution came into force on A. The 26th of January 1947. B. The 15th of August 1947. C. The 26th of January 1950. D. The 26th of November 1949. Checkmark answer. C. The 26th of January 1950. Book India Arasiyalamaipo Amalukku Vanta Tetti. Checkmark Patil. C. 26 January 1950. Which article of the Constitution deals with the right to equality? A. Article 14 to 18. B. Article 19 to 22. C. Article 23 to 24. D. Article 32. Checkmark answer. Article 14 to 18. Book Kamattuva Urimai enter Katapirivan Keel Ullatu. Checkmark Patil. Pirivu 14 to 18. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Sardar Patel. Checkmark answer. C. B. R. Ambedkar. Book India Arasiyalamaipan Tantaiyar. Checkmark Patil. C. Pai. Ambedkar. Judicial review is based on which article? A. Article 14. B. Article 32. C. Article 13. D. Article 21. Checkmark answer. C. Article 13. Book Nitittirumpa Parasilanai enter Pirival Ullatu. Checkmark Patil. C. Pirivu 13. Directive Principles of State Policy are taken from A. U.S. Constitution. B. British Constitution. C. Irish Constitution. D. Canadian Constitution. Checkmark answer. C. Irish Constitution. Book Araku Kolkai Vilaikatam Uttaravatek Kotpatukal Etaliruntu Itukkappatatu. Checkmark Patil. C. Ayalantu Arasiyalamaipu. Yellow Square Unit 3, Tamil Nadu History, 5 questions. Which Sangam work mentions Pandya kings? A. Tolkappiyam. B. Purananuru. C. Silappatikaram. D. Minimikalai. Checkmark answer. B. Purananuru. Book Pantiarkalippari Kuripatam Kanka Ilakiyam Etu. Checkmark Patil. B. Purananuru. Who constructed the Brihadishwarar temple? A. Rajendra Chola. B. Karikalan. C. Rajaraja Chola I. D. Aditya Chola. Checkmark answer. C. Rajaraja Chola I. Book Pirikatishwarar Kovilai Kattiyavariyar. Checkmark Patil. C. Rajaraja Kalan I. The Battle of Talikota, 1565, led to the decline of Pandya Empire. B. Chola Empire. C. Vijayanagar Empire. D. Chera Empire. Checkmark answer. C. Vijayanagar Empire. Book 1565 Amantu Talaikoti Po Etai Vilchi Sitatu. Checkmark Patil. C. Vijayanagara Peraraku. Tholkappiyam deals with A. Music. B. War. C. Grammar. D. Sculpture. Checkmark answer. C. Grammar. Book Tolkappiyam Ate Parikuripatyukiratu. Checkmark Patil. C. Ilikkanam. In which river is the Grand Anicut, Kallanai, constructed? A. Bhavani. B. Kaveri. C. Vagai. D. Pala. Checkmark answer. B. Kaveri. Book Kallanai enter Natil Amintilatu. Checkmark Patil. B. Kaveri. Blue Square Unit IV, Personalities, 3 questions. Who wrote Discovery of India? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Rajaji. C. Nehru. D. Ambedkar. Checkmark answer. C. Nehru. Book Discovery of India, Alutiavariyar. Checkmark Patil. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. J. C. Bose is famous for A. Political reforms. B. Discoveries in physics. C. Research in plant science. D. Astronomy. Checkmark answer. C. Research in plant science. Book J. Chi. P.O.S. Etter Kaka Perisitti Perivar. Checkmark Patil. C. Tivaraviyal Arechi. Author of Wings of Fire is A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. C. V. Raman. C. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. D. Homi Bhabha. Checkmark answer. C. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. Book Veens Aap Hapear, Newly Suryariyar. Checkmark Patil. C. A. Pi. J. Abdul Kalam. Purple Square Unit V, Sports and Games, 2 questions. First Indian to win an individual Olympic gold. A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Milkha Singh. C. P. V. Sindhu. D. Leander Pace. Checkmark answer. Abhinav Bindra. Book Olympic Kiltanipitta Tankam Venra Mutal Intiar. Checkmark Patil. A. Abhinav Bindra. Which state is most associated with the game of Kabaddi? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Kerala. Checkmark answer. C. Haryana. Book Kapatpi Vilayattutan Attikam Totarputiya Manilam. Checkmark Patil. C. Haryana. Brown Square Unit V, abbreviations, 3 questions. UNESCO stands for. Checkmark answer. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Book UNESCO Virivana Peyar. Checkmark Patil. Aikia Natukal Kalvi, Ariviyal Maram Kalakara Niruvanam. ISRO stands for. Checkmark answer. Indian Space Research Organization. Book ISRO Virivana Peyar. Checkmark Patil. India Vinvali Arechi Amaipu. GDP stands for. Checkmark answer. Gross Domestic Product. Book GDP Enpatan Virivakam. Checkmark Patil. Motor Ulnattu Urpatti. Red Square Unit 7, Everyday Science, 3 questions. Vitamin C is also known as. Checkmark answer. Ascorbic acid. Book Vitamin C Enam Catectin Verupeyar. Checkmark Patil. Ascorbic acid. The device used to measure blood pressure is. Checkmark answer. Sphygmomanometer. Book Iritta Alatum Alavitum Karuvi. Checkmark Patil. Sphygmomanometer. Which gas is used in refrigerators? Checkmark answer. Freon. Book Pirikjil Payanpatam Vayu. Checkmark Patil, Hapriyan. Yellow Square Unit 8, Current Affairs, 2024-25, 3 questions. Who is the current President of India, as of 2025? Checkmark answer. Draupadi Murmu. Buktapateya Intia Kutiyarakat Talaivar Yar, 2025. Checkmark Patil, Tirupati Murmu. India's Chandrayaan-3 landed on which part of the moon? Checkmark answer. South Pole. Book Cantirayan-3 Nilavil enter Pakutiyil Tarayiran Checkmark Patil, Tenturuvam. Which city hosted the 2024 G20 summit? Checkmark answer. New Delhi. Book 2024 into G20 Manatu Enkunatai Peratu. Checkmark Patil, New Delhi. Which Indian won the 2023 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Checkmark answer. Ravi Kannan. Book 2023 Ramon Magsas Virutu Pera Intiariyar. Checkmark Patil, Ravi Kannan.